Hello guys, my name is Rajesh and you are watching 6-day tutorial of Microsoft Excel series. And today we are going to learn about smart arts, graphs and charts. So let's begin with smart arts. Smart arts are the graphical representation of your information. There are so many designs, options and layouts of smart art in Microsoft Excel. To create smart arts, click on the Insert tab and in the Illustration group, click Smart Art. Here you can see different categories. Let's create smart art for the process. Suppose we have to show input, processing, output, a basic computer definition. Just click on Process and choose any layout. Let me use this basic one and press OK. Now here in the boxes we can enter the data. At the top, you can see there is a new tab for Smart Art Tools. From here, you can have so many customizations. Just follow the tutorial. Similarly, you can create cycle, hierarchy, process, relationships, pyramid, etc. Let's do one more example regarding hierarchy. So this is our chart, let's suppose, and we are going to make exactly such graphics using smart art. Let's choose one of the design and follow the tutorial. Now here, remember one thing. If you want to create a subcategory, go to the parent category, press enter and press tab button from your keyboard and write the value or text. Now again, you can make this smart art much more beautiful by applying the customizations like we do earlier. Likewise, if you need to add ready-made shapes to your art, you can choose them from Shapes. Just select what you wanted to draw and draw it. Again at the top, you can see Format tab, using which you can have lots of wonderful customizations. Alright, now we will learn how to create graphs. Let's suppose we have this data. Select the data you want to show in the charts, click Insert tab and then select what type of chart you want to show. Let's click on the column chart. Here it is. It's so simple. Now if you change any data value, the graph will also get changed automatically. Now again, at the top you can see additional menu bar for the chart. Now you can customize your chart as you like. There is one more important function. If you want to see what is the exact value of these columns, just select any one category, right-click it, click on Add Data Label or Data Callouts. That's it. Similar for others as well. You can also select which data you only want to show. Just click here and see the magic. Want to change the design? Just right-click within chart area and click Change Chart Type. Now you got lot more options to change the chart as you like to. It's as simple as that. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.